Yeah, we are back. Marcus Body Coding Live. New footwork every day, also today. And remember, you see, we do no excuses. And today, a new combo. Cross 3 and top 8. Together. Are you ready? First, watch for yourself. Let's go. See for yourself. Yes, now no excuses. Let's learn it together. Let's go. Are you ready? Let's work together. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We open, close to the back, and open. Now we step forward, tap to the back, step back, and tap. Now the same with the right. Open, cross to the back, open. Now stepping forward, tap, step to the back, and tap. Once again, let's go with the left. Open, cross, open, step, tap, step, tap. Yeah, now with the right. Open, cross, open, and step forward, step, tap, step, tap. Now with the count, let's go. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Now step on 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing work. Amazing work. But you know what? Let's do even more work because practice makes better. But right now, I want to see you. So how do we do that? Let's do it face to face. Ready? Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, let's go face to face. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah. Starting with the left. Let's go. We open. Close to the back. Open out, step forward, step, tap, step, tap. Yeah, with the right. Open, close to the back, and open, step, tap, step, tap. Yeah, with the left again, with the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again with the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. The right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you know what? Let's add some body isolation. Let's go. First move we can do the shoulder rolls to the back. Let's go. When we go to the side, we can do the shoulder rolls. 1, yeah, shoulder. Start with the right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again with the shoulders now, with the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's add another thing. You can choose just one of the things. Now I'll show you something with the hands. Let's go. First the shoulders. We go with the right shoulder again. 1, 2, 3. Now with the hands. We point. Yeah. The opposite hand. We point. We do with 2 fingers. We do with 1 finger. Yeah. We point. Step to the back. We point with the other hand. Yeah. Let's do it again. Forward. Step. Point. Step. Point. Step. Point. Step. Point. Yeah. Let's go to the other side with the shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Step. Point. Step. Point. Other side with the shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Step. Point. Step. Point. You can even add a look. Yeah. Try to be. Bam. You can look. Notice. You look and bam. Bam. Amazing. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. And if you're the serious student, if you want to learn more, if you want to get this move inside your bones, so you can not even do it wrong. Can't even do it wrong. Yeah, I'm serious. Then join me in the studio for free, forever for free. Practicing cross 3 and tap 8. Both of the moves, both of the universal steps, we did a combination of. How do you do that? Click the links above, below, to the sides. And if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio. Yeah, the link in my bio to the YouTube channel. And search for these moves. Cross number 3 and tap number 8. 8, yeah. And remember, these are universal moves, so it doesn't matter what kind of dance you dance. Whether it's hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, semba, kizomba, anything, you can still use these steps because they are universal. Yeah, universal. And either way, take this move, take this video, rewind it, replay it, practice with it again and then again and then again, and then do it today. Yeah, why today? First, it's a lovely day. Second, it's a good day. Third, why not? Fourth, why not you? And fifth, why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Focus body coding live. Yeah. So, let's see you tomorrow with a new footwork.